This demo shows how the Production Shift Operations Workspace Agentic application improves shift performance, resolves production exceptions, and maintains plan adherence and quality based on real-time conditions. Marie, a production supervisor, opens the Production Shift Operations Workspace and sees a summary of important information about her shift. Below the expanded work order execution summary, Marie finds recommended work order operation assignments where she sees that one work order is not currently assigned. She reviews priority actions and assigns an expedited work order to resolve the issue. Marie uses Ask Oracle to learn more about plan adherence. The AI agent provides a detailed response with a summary and recommendations. She's now interested in the current shift performance. After receiving the shift summary, she needs more details about the equipment issue and what action to take. The AI agent flags a potential equipment failure and recommends a preventive maintenance work order, automating its creation and preventing production downtime. Marie now sees the updated execution and shift performance summaries. She generates a shift report drawn from the accumulated shift data analyzed by the application, reviews the report, and prepares to send it out. The Production Shift Operations Workspace reasons across production, quality, and maintenance to optimize production decisions, prevent issues, and improve shift performance. Production supervisors like Marie can quickly analyze shift problems and take preventive measures to keep overall production on schedule.